how to diagnose your Samsung mobile device. So hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily diagnose your Samsung mobile device. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, just search in for the device care option. So just like this, you will see this device care option, or you can also pin it on the home screen. So once you're inside here, so you just have to click on this diagnostic option from over here and just wait for some time. And from over here you'll get three different options for phone diagnostic and app battery usage diagnostic, as well as app safety diagnostic. So they basically check for your apps that quickly drains your battery, or checks for app that reduce your phone's memory. So just click on phone diagnostic and you can check or test all of those methods to diagnose every single thing from over here. So thanks for watching guys, hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.